Welcome back. The microlight is now in Colin's hangar, having some servicing done to it. And what we've done so far is we've taken the motor, basically a lot of components off it, and tidied them up. We've replaced the rotary valve cover there, which you can see right in the centre of the screen, with one without an oil pump on it. So it's now going to be premix, and because we weren't happy with the actual connections to it. And Colin's done a really good job of cleaning things up and tidying the radiator, and Lionel's done a beautiful job. He's now at the moment making a choke system, and he's replaced all the cables for me for the throttle and the choke. So I'll zoom in here a little bit, we'll have a look. So wiring is a bit of a mess there. I'm actually going to tidy that up, but that's later in the project. This is the really fresh new exhaust that Lionel's painted, and he's sandblasted it, and it's just like brand new. It's just going to be fantastic. I've also put in a primer bulb, my fancy new radio box I made, which is going to hold the radio. This is Lionel and Colin discussing. We're busy with
consultation, will you excuse us?
Here we go, here's Lionel. We're taking it outside for the first run up after it's...
Well, the first attempted run up.
We're now making a few slight adjustments to the idling, because it's too idling.
Try it again, Grant. Yeah, lovely. The horrible rattle you can hear is the muffler sort of loose tackle.